rather humble old paper boat. As the mother of boys, I've made quite a few of these over the years. It's a little bit of fun on a rainy afternoon. But have you ever wondered what happens to those little boys who never quite grow out of making toy boats? Well, let's just say they blow my design skills way out of the water. Founder of MEC Yachts, Murray Owen, is one of those reluctant grown-ups. He turned a boyhood fascination with boats into a career building and refurbishing luxury yachts. While folded paper has given way to more seaworthy aluminium, the same principle remains. Start with a sheet of metal and transform it into a creation of pleasing form and function. And this then is the end result. You're looking at over 2,000 man-hours of cutting, folding and welding sheets of aluminium to create one impressive cruising catamaran. We're on board for the final stages of the build process as MEC's latest 18-metre commercial cat undergoes sea trials on the Gold Coast Broadwater. Well, Murray, she floats. That's a good start.
It does, yeah. No, we're very happy. Everything's gone really well so far.
What's involved in the sea trials?
Well, from the time you go in the water, we like to let the boat settle for 24 hours before we do the engine alignment. And then we'll do the engine alignment, which is lining the engine and gearbox up to the shaft, which, as you can tell, there's no vibration because it's done right. And then we go out and do our sea trials. We have the engine manufacturers on board, so they come out with all their instruments. They put a computer on the engines to check all the back pressures, the loads on the engine, the RPMs. And then we check our speeds. We have the designer on board. He likes to know that the trim's right, the speed's right, and the RPM with the full load.
The interior design is just as impressive as the engineering, with a generous galley, drink spa and plenty of seating for passengers, perfect for commercial use. So what's the future for this boat, Murray?
Well, this boat's heading to Port Macquarie as a whale watching boat. It was specifically designed for whale watching, but they will do weddings, etc. in the river down there.
Yeah, I'm looking at it and thinking it'd be a good boat to have a party on. There's great spaces everywhere.
Exactly, yeah. This boat's surveyed to carry 100 passengers in 1C, which is in the ocean, and 150 passengers in 1E, which is sheltered waters like up the river.
So obviously going whale watching, she's going to spend a bit of time offshore. How was she designed to handle ocean swell?
Well, basically a catamaran is great for ocean swell anyway, and these vessels are designed with very high tunnel clearance. There's a minimum of about a metre tunnel clearance, which is to handle the swell. And this vessel being out of Port Macquarie has got to cross the bar, I guess, during most conditions as well, because they've got to get back in again. So it is designed to be a fantastic sea boat.
From party yachts to whale watching boats, even your own personal cruising machine. If you've ever dreamed of owning a luxury catamaran, drop by the Gold Coast City Marina and talk to Murray and the rest of the MEC crew.